The city of Lake Helen is cracking down on speeding in school zones. The city says the enforcement is part of its broader commitment to keeping students in school zones safe. Now, the newly installed systems are located at the locations you see here. Spectrum News 13's Devin Martin shares why the Lake Helen community hopes this curbs speeding in their city.
I've been here in Lake Helen for over 35 years. I raised 4 kids here.
Todd Preston takes us on a drive around a place he loves to call home.
We just never feared for their safety the whole time they were growing up here in Lake Helen. I really don't care what your hurry or your emergency is. It doesn't override the safety of the kids.
Todd says Lake Helen is caught in the middle of growth from surrounding cities. The result is more traffic to the area.
This is it right here. This is Volusia Pines, and these are 2 connector roads, and there's a lot of people that speed through here. Just plan to slow down when you're coming through a school zone.
This week, the city of Lake Helen announced the start of its new school zone speed safety program. For the next month, these cameras will monitor vehicle speeds. In February, Nova Global says civil penalties will be assessed for violations. It's something the Lake Helen Police Department will enforce.
We have several officers that are involved with the program that are going to be trained on it, and they will be issuing citations as needed.
For parents picking up their kids, they're glad to see something being done.
People, they just speed down these roads. So having that being that we can't have police on either one of these roads at all times, I think the cameras are perfect. Hopefully it does crack down on speeding around here.
The idea is that we cannot have an officer there every single day for a school zone. You know, we are a very small department. With the school zone cameras, that gives us 100% coverage during school hours.
Lake Helen Chief of Police Robert Mullins tells me something had to be done to address speeding in this community. This program has been years in the making.
I think that this is a step in the right direction to start with the school zones.
In Lake Helen, Devin Martin, Spectrum News.
An initial speed study released by Nova Global showed an average above 800 speeding violations per day. Chief Mullins says the cameras come at no cost to the police department.